This is the income and expenditure report. So we can do this for all funds consolidated, so all funds of the unit, or you can do it for a particular group of funds or one particular fund. So first of all, let's make our period selection. So I'm going to do a year 2 and then select the month. So this will be the financial year to the end of the month you select. I'm going to do fund code. This time I'm going to do all the funds of the officers mess. So I'm going to select the officers GPF fund. I do one of. So officers mess. And then I'm going to also include all the sub funds, all the restricted and designated funds of the officers mess. So once we've made our selections at the top there, we've also got some other entries here. So print account codes, I'm going to say yes. I want to exclude zero values on the report, so I'm not interested in those. And I'm going to have unrounded numbers. So now at the bottom half here, these are all your report sections. So these are the headings on your report. So under each heading, you'll have all the associated account codes. So against the account code in account maintenance, you specify the section. So I'm going to do include all, because generally you want to include everything on the report. You can change the order if you want to, but generally you leave it the same. You can tick a running total at any point or a new page. So if I was to preview this one, so this gives me the income and expenditure for all those funds consolidated. So it gives you your income and then your total surplus and deficit at the bottom. You can also run this report in fund columns. So if we click on that one, again, make your period selection. And then we choose our funds we want to appear on the report. So again, I'm going to stick with the officers mess. Select all my restricted and designated funds as well. Again, you've got the same selections as well, where you can exclude zero values, unrounded numbers. And I'll click on include all again at the bottom, so it's including all the report sections, and then preview that one. So here's the report. So we've got a column for each of the funds. So you can see the income and the expenditure on each of the funds. And at the end, you've got a surplus deficit for each of the funds and then a total of everything added together. So with these ones, you can also store the report. So if I clicked on store, I could call it mess income and expenditure and click on OK. If we go to stored reports, so if we want to run this report in the future, you can just select it from the list, click on use, and it pings back into the report with all the criteria saved, and you would just change your period selection. You also have a month columns report. So if we were to do it for 12 months up to June, and again we can do it for one particular fund, all funds consolidated, or we can pick which ones we want it for. So again, if I was to select the officers mess, make all my selections there, selections as before, and then preview that one. As this is just test data, there's not enough data in it. So if I was just to do it for 1 month, So this is only showing me the 1 month because haven't got any historical data, but you would see a column for each of the months that you select. So if you selected 12 months, it will give you the previous 12 months.